of radius 15, right? After you draw the circle, you draw through the center line. Through the center line, you draw a horizontal line. And then with the aid of your set square, you are going to draw this line here. And then you draw this line here, which is a vertical line. After you draw the vertical line, you rotate your set square. What? And then through the center again, you draw 30 degrees and you draw a 60 degrees. And then I draw one more, because remember it has three sides, right? So you draw this here and then you draw the next 60 degrees. This is 60. Alright? So as you can see, we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. I'm just darkening this. Alright? Sorry.
So uno de esos tiene que ser after?
Alright. Now, what we need... There, that's the easy way, right? Alright, so what you do here now, we draw a horizontal line. Watch, as my friend there had showed. And then you know that this angle is 60. So 60 plus something gives you, plus 30 gives you 90. So you can actually see that you have the 90 here. You have the 90. You can do it with protractor, or you can do it with the set square, and you can even do it with the compass. Okay, now if you notice, this is 30. So in order to have that 30 plus what gives you 90? 60. So you have the 60 here. You draw that line. And now you are going to, excuse me, and then you draw the vertical line. Again, you notice you have the 90 and you have the 90. Now you notice this is a 30 degrees, so you need a 60 degrees. Okay, so you turn your set square like this, set it here, you draw your line, and then if you notice this is a 60 degrees, right? And 60 plus what gives you 90? 30 degrees. So you have to find the line that goes in this direction. So if you notice, this is the 30 degrees here. So which one would give me that direction? Say this is going the other way. So you need to turn this here like this. And then we put it there. And then what we do here, excuse me, you draw that line there. Then you go here, 60 degrees. Now you know you can use the other way now, 30 degrees. And like I said, what if you upload the video, then you can pause it, like doing step by step. You can pause it as you go about. Now, this is a 30 degrees. 30 degrees plus what gives me 60. This 90, sorry. 60. So that's
a moment.
Okay, we fix this here. The tape is the one that messed me up here. Okay, we put it one more time. So that's one. And then if you notice, we need to draw a 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And then if you notice, this is a 30, so we need a 60. What you can do, you can draw two lines at the same time. You draw this one here, and if you notice on the other side, you can draw this one here. So like killing two of them at once. Alright? And then if you notice, this is a 60, so we need a 30, right? And we need a 30 that way. So that is the 30 there. We take that 30, we draw the line like this, and if you notice the other ending, watch, simply it goes down. Right? Now, once that is done, then you find the circumference of the circle. If you notice, the diameter is 30, so you say circumference is equals to pi times d, whereby pi is equals to 3.14 times the diameter, which is 30, and that gives you 94.20. So what you will do here, you will come either here or here, and you will measure 94.2. Barely you will be able to see that 0.2. Right? So you can see the dot there. So from here to here, 94.2. Once you have done so, then you drop a line, any length, any angle, and you divide that line into 12 equal parts. But remember, what are we going to divide into 12? The 94.2, which is this. So you take that there, and you divide 94.2, divide that by 12, and that gives you practically 7. Right? So 7 times this gives you what? 84?
Yes.
84. Alright, yes, because then you are short of 2 millimeters. So 7. So you can set your compass to 7 millimeters. 7 millimeters. And then you strike that how many times?
12.
12 times. And so you strike 1. And then you strike here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? I need another set square. Any or ruler. Then what as you can see here, what I will do now, I will draw this, which is the 12 point, to this point. So I draw that line there. That is the one who will give me the angle, like that. And then I will set the other ruler or set square underneath. You set it underneath, and then if you notice, I'm placing, watch how my fingers work. I am placing my pencil first at the point, and then I push this. So actually, literally, if you notice, with one finger, I am pulling and shifting. And I shift it directly to the pencil, so that this is the same angle as this, because this is providing it. So you take it to the next one, and then let's go faster now. Alright, we draw these lines here. Draw this one here. Draw this one here. We draw this one here. We draw this one here. This one. This one. And then this one here. There you go. Now, we have divided it now into 12 equal parts. So, with the aid of your compass, you can copy and transfer each one of these to the individual line. Or simply, you can use the center. Alright? And then you open it to this one here, whereby this would be like 1. So I will take this all the way up to 1. This is 1. In a clockwise direction, right? So if this is 0, this is 1. This is 0 here. So this is 2. This is 3. And so I open 2 with 2. Watch. I take it all the way to 2. This is 2 here. And I bring it back. See? Please make sure that you do not. This was a trial and error. This is the original. So you open it to the original. This is what? 3. So you take it all the way to 3. You can either take it this way and then bring it this way, or you can take it from here directly to the point, as I am going to show right now. So you take it here, this to that. Alright, and then this is what I meant by taking it directly to the line, and you will stop here because the first one stopped there. And then you go to the next one. Go to the next one, you take it all the way up to that point. You take it to the next one, and you will take it all the way to that point. You open it to this one here, and you take it all the way to that point. You take it here, and you take it all the way to this point. You take it here. Now if you notice, we run out of space. Practically, you can do this and just continue where it shows, or you could have reversed it, like from here to here. Watch, if I take it from here and I bring it to this, isn't that the same point? Yes. Okay, you take it here, and then like I said, you can take it this way if you're used to that one there, and this will go all the way up to this. You take it to this point, and then you take it down like I said, and then all the way and up to here. Is that so?
Yes.
And then if you notice, what will the last one practically do? It will do a complete circle. Alright? Now once you have done so, look at where they ended. This is 0. This is your starting point. Where this first arc intersect, that's your first point. That is 0, 1, 2. See there? And so that means this is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will just practically do this quickly. If you notice, this goes like this. Move it this way. Sorry for the car, right? I'm practically doing it.
Sorry, Laura.
You just accommodate yourself. You always have to accommodate yourself with it. So you go like that, see? Excuse me. You go like this. You go like this. You go like this. And then if you notice, pretty much it will take you back. All what you need to do is to darken it, and I will do this so that the camera can show it well, right? All what you need to do is to, for that you need to take your time to do this.
Sir, solo isip na naman si Power?
No lo tienen que hacer, les dije que hagan prepare el circle.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, then, and you notice the board isn't helping. See it?
For the board drop.
Yep. Watch, that's the board causing that. So it can't be me myself blaming me. Alright, so that was like that, using the center. Like the other one would be like this, and that's the last thing I'm going to explain. Like from 0 to 1. You know, all of these points are literally 0 are wrong. 1 is already out, 2, 3, 4. So I copy from 0 to 1. I go to 0 here and I put my first point. See, it drops exactly right there. That's like A. I copy from 0 to 2. See? 0 to 2, you go to 2, see 2 here. And you practically it sends you there. Okay, then you go 0 to 3. This is like transferring. 0 to 3, you put it at 3 and you practically transfer it. But like I explained, the easiest one is using the center and just doing and you open it. Alright? Period.
And involute with a circle.